Hey everyone, Ryan Jones with Coldwell Banker First Ottawa, and I've got another gem for you here at 409 Heathrow Private. It's in the Traditions neighborhood of Stittsville South. Let's go take a look. Alright, so built in 2011, this Monarch national model has got just under 1,900 square feet of living space across the 3 levels, and a layout you're going to love. Got a big foyer to welcome your guests with tile. There's inside access to the garage, powder room, big front closet. We've got hardwood here on the main living space as well as on the stairs. Here in the kitchen we've got tile, loads of counter space, cupboard space, stainless steel appliances, and some huge windows for all that natural light. And up here on the second level, which was recently painted, you've got a nice big window in the stairwell because it is that end unit. There's 2 good sized bedrooms, full bath, laundry, which is super convenient, and a huge master bedroom, which will have you never wanting to go to work, with a 4-piece ensuite, and you won't have to fight over the closets because, well, there's 2 of them. Through the patio doors here off the kitchen, you have access to the fully fenced backyard, complete with patio and pergola, perfect for barbecuing on those summer days that lie ahead. And in the basement, there's a finished off rec room with a cozy gas fireplace, along with a huge storage room for all the stuff. And just up Stittsville, Maine, you're minutes from schools, groceries, and all the amenities that Stittsville has to offer. So, if you're looking for more information, 409heathrow.com or ryanjones.ca. And as always, when you think real estate, think Ryan.